Now, over half of the population have some form of negative physical reaction to food, animals, or inhalants. Amal Al-Jabri visited one of Dubai's diagnostic labs to find out more about the process of blood testing for food intolerance and for other sensitivities.
Many of us avoid doctors, ignore symptoms, and even use home remedies. But when it comes to our long-term health, we're becoming increasingly aware of the need to have regular checkups. The common checks include blood glucose, lipid profiles, liver and kidney functions, as well as cholesterol levels. And the idea of preventing a disease before you get it has been unheard of, until now.
We have a new test that will do a checkup for mutations, for genes that involve in diabetes, hypertension, obesity, osteoporosis. So basically it's a preventive test that will tell you if mutations are prone to be there.
In fact, with this new genetic testing, up to 20 different diseases can be determined from a single sample. As the lab helps in identifying allergies and intolerances, they receive the patient's blood samples and send them for processing in various departments, including hematology, microbiology, chemistry, or molecular biology.
We need to look for the presence of the antibodies for the certain foods. So we have in our lab specified materials that carries the markers for the foods that we want to look for the allergies for.
The specialized process involves the medics mixing the blood that carries the antibodies and checking for any allergic reactions to up to 250 different types of allergens, including food, animals, and inhalants. And although Dubai consists of a diverse population, a consistent pattern is seen in intolerances amongst them, especially with wheat, gluten, milk, and yeast. And with the numerous tests comes a few surprises along the way.
Once we find an almond, for example, patients say, I never eat almond, I don't like almond. But it turned out that he uses certain types of beauty products that contains almond oil. And that's why the allergy reaction is there.
Some of those reactions include chronic fatigue, bloating, migraines, runny nose, rashes, and water retention. All in all, it's fascinating with the thought of what a simple fingertip blood drop can do in terms of unlocking your hidden sensitivities. These kind of tests help in identifying the food trigger or triggers, and that, accompanied by a sensible management plan, can both allow life to be very different for both intolerance and allergy sufferers. Amal Al-Jabri, Emirates News.